on, man. Come on. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you've been rocking with your boy, you know what we about to do here. It's another fire, hotter style. Yes, sir. This time is on the Nike SB Dunk SANY Bodecker. I'm trying not to say eBay, even though this sneaker screams eBay at you guys. Yeah, SANY Bodecker. He's like the godfather of dunks. I did a full review on these. You could go check it out. I'll put it there. But today we're gonna put together some matches to make this sneaker even stand out more, even if that's possible. A lot of colors. I went with the colors. I didn't dumb it down a little bit, man. Hit the B-roll. So we actually gonna start with a tee that I wore in a review of this sneaker. I just had to. I really like the match, man. It's the Supreme float tee. Yeah, so it's yellow. You got the blue water. You got the red Supreme float tee. Whenever you add a model, it just makes the shirt even better. And the good thing about this shirt, not only does it match, it's way affordable. They made a lot of colorways in the float tee. So you can go to StockX right now or go and get this under retail. I think retail is $50 for the tee after the shipping. It's about that on StockX right now. Yes, sir. And I had to show these socks early in the video. I got them from Tilly's, $14. I think they were on sale for $8. That's Tilly's, Tillys. And man, it's like they made these perfectly for the sneaker. As you can see, you got the see-throughness in the sneaker. So if you put on these socks here, you will see the Nike SB logo in all the colors present on the sneaker. Very dope, man. One side is yellow, one side is blue. Very affordable, guys. If you own these, you need these. In the B-roll, I showed you these shorts, and I gotta go further with it because I love the match. But not only that, I love what Bravest Studios is doing. If you don't know, they're the people responsible for the Louis Vuitton shorts everyone's wearing that went crazy and viral, the Gucci shorts. They just keep going. I know Eric Emanuel is the go-to for shorts right now, but Bravest Studios is on the come up, guys. And right here, I forget what they call this. But if you into design, you know what those crosses mean. And the cream shorts with the colorfulness, man. This is a perfect match, guys. You know with so many colors in that sneaker. It's a lot of colors on these shorts that's not in that sneaker. But you get the outfit drip for outfit purposes. And the good thing is, another affordable shorts. I think they're about $75. Shipping is free, guys. Dope look. Staying Bravest Studios is another one. This is the Paris joint. I like this because if you look on the actual SANY Bodecker SB Dunk, the swoosh is blue. So you kind of try to blend with the swooshes more because that's what people look for when they see if it's a Nike or Adidas. Always the logo. So I like these Paris shorts because it has that same exact blue. Same price as the last ones I showed you. Same quality. Going back to the tees, it's a new one from Supreme. Now, I got a little bit of reservations on this shirt because the green is not an actual match. But when you mix the yellow with the lime green, you're going to fall on this green. But my main purpose for this shirt was all the Supreme accessories. Gives you that same colorful look that you get on the, I was about to say eBay sneaker, on the SANY Bodecker sneaker. So like, I really like this mesh up just to keep the whole outfit busy. And speaking of busy, you won't get any busier than this shirt here. This is a Versace tee. I think it's called like the palette tee. But look at all these colors, man. All these colors is Versace, so you know the material. I shouldn't have to say it. But the bottom is blue, just like the swoosh. And then you just got a whole bunch of complementary. You just got a whole bunch of colors up here, man, that matches that SANY Bodecker. Some colors that's not in the sneaker, but mostly the colors that are. You see the yellow, the green, the red, the blue, and the white. It's all there. Bringing it down a notch, we going to my man Cactus Jack. Yo, the Utopia album's fire, man. At first I didn't like it, but I like it. And I copped them Air Force Ones, guys. They're coming. We'll do the review. But to dumb it down a little bit, again, the blue Cactus Jack logo complements that check, the Nike swoosh on the sneaker. But the back also gets busy too. And you get your yellow, you get your red, you get your Travis Scott Fortnite skin astronomical tee. You gotta go third party, of course, but believe it or not, very affordable. Again, dumbing it down, but also keeping it Cactus Jack. This time going McDonald's is the French fry tee. All white tee, you know it's a lot of white in that sneaker. Got the yellow French fry face. Red Cactus Jack McDonald logo on the side. Perfect match. And also, again, under retail. Trying to match that green, I went with the Rick Rubin Photo Supreme tee. A lot of y'all don't know who Rick Rubin is, but he's the man behind all your favorite hits from the 70s, 80s, 90s, even now, man. Rick Rubin tee, nice, soft on the eyes, green, white and red in the photo. Dope match. Man, staying supreme. It's the portrait tee. And self-explanatory, man. Red tee. Got the portrait, all the colors in the sneaker. Red, white, blue, green, yellow. They're all layers, all present. Dope tee. This is a classic OG Supreme tee. So, I don't know, man. But type in portrait tee. Google it. If you can't find it and you really want it, hit me in the comment section. Another red Supreme tee I really like because you see the letters. It goes from the side to the back. And you matching that red with that yellow perfectly. No other color, but you're matching it perfect. And it's one of the thick, I think this was a fall tee because this tee has good material. Hats. I'm on record for maybe a year straight telling y'all how Hat Club is killing it. This is one where they really, really knocked it out the park. This is the Hot Wheels collection. Come on, man. You got the red, the yellow. That blue is off, but it's still a nice blue, guys, and it can blend. World Series patch on the side. Blue bottom. It's just a little pricey, but I love this hat. Supreme for the win, guys. The ODB Supreme hat. Y'all know what ODB mean. RIP. EBT card. You got the red, you got the yellow, you got the blue. I really like this match. Supreme on the back. Or you could go classic, get you a red box logo Supreme hat. Or even a blue box logo Supreme hat. It all matches. Yes, sir, man. So that's a quick how to style on the Nike SB Dunk, SANY Bodecker, the eBay joints. I know the sneaker's a little out of line, but those that own this or looking to own this, this is the perfect how to style for you. The sneaker's still at a $200 price range, which is crazy. So maybe the sneaker will make you go out and buy it. But if you need help finding anything you seen in this video, pricing, sizing, the fit, let me know, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.